All right, family, this is hack number 8 of the 17 business credit score hacks. All right, so you want to add your utility and your telco payments. So a lot of times when you have a bill as an entrepreneur and you're just starting your business and you're just starting to build business credit, you don't have any. So any payment experience that you have, any payment history can actually help you to reach your goal of getting really high business credit scores. So if you can, I would like you to go and get accounts that actually report as far as your phone bills and your utility on the business side. So I would go places like Ring Central, maybe if Ring Central still is reporting at this time, or another service that you know for sure is going to report to the business credit bureaus, because you're going to have a phone anyway. So you might as well get credit for it on your business credit report. And a lot of times with these phone bills and these utilities, they don't report unless you go negative. But if we're positive for 4 or 5 years, we want that to report as well. So go ahead and find accounts that actually report on the business credit side and only do business with them, because you got to have that service anyway, so you need to get credit for it.